Nature as a reference. Humans have always been in touch with nature. Earlier, humans took objects from nature to build, eat, hunt, and survive. Nature in itself was a beautiful builder. From geometrically arranged petals of a flower with golden ratio to animals with bodily functions, design in nature has evolved. But as time passed, humans started to adapt new ideas as solution to problems. In this period of emergent design, humans looked up to the nature for inspiration. A good example is the kingfisher. Its speed and agility inspired engineers to fashion the bullet train according to a kingfisher's physical form, making it more silent and 10% faster. But our evolution of design has a toll on nature, as our natural resources are affected, used up during construction, or when construction materials are made. This leads us to the problem of sustainability. We should be able to pass down nature to future generations just as we found it, so that their lives are easier as well. The philosophy of minimalism, or the idea of less is more, enables us to think of design in terms of minimum to work with, providing maximum effect, making our lives less complex. Hence, one day we can achieve sustainability.